You guys, today is the day. The wildest upgrade for the Supra is officially here. It has been around probably over a month and a half at this point since we ordered it. As you guys will see, it is the second most expensive upgrade for the Supra, probably other than the wrap. Let's go check it out.
Oh my goodness, if you know, you know. There it is.
That is right, ladies and gentlemen. We have ourselves a wing for the Supra. Let's friggin' go.
I think we should unbox it.
Unboxing.
There it is. Well, guys, let's just hope it comes with hardware and instructions. I'm hoping all this right here is the hardware, the instructions. We're gonna find out. So both of these go underneath the trunk. These go up under. If you guys have ever installed a wing on a Supra, you know exactly what these are. Also came with two risers. It's getting serious. We just opened up the very ends of the wing itself, and they are so nice. Now for the main reason the entire box is so long, you guys obviously know. It's obviously gonna be super light. I can probably, I can pick this up right now. Here we go. This is the last layer until we reveal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. Got some spots, some imperfections. Just clean this up a little bit, wipe it down a little bit. But you guys, oh my lord, this is so freaking sick. I almost can't put into words how awesome this thing actually looks after you get it all. I think what I am gonna do right now is I'm gonna walk outside and just kind of raise it above the car and see what it looks like.
You guys, it is literally like a huge surfboard, but look at this thing. There's fingerprints everywhere. We're gonna have to clean it. Also, it's gonna take us some time to install it. I'm actually kind of nervous, but this thing is so freaking sick, dude. I can't even get over it, and it is just wild holding this. Let's test and see kind of what this is going to look like. If you can get kind of an idea. I don't know exactly where it would go. Probably like right here. There it is.
You guys, we have made it to On's Customs here in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is pretty much it. I mean, you guys, this is the very last time we're going to see the Supra without a freaking wing. This is so crazy. Yeah, I don't know how I feel. This is wild. Here it is. Let's go take it on in. So their front doors are gonna be over here, you guys.
I'm so excited, you guys. Let's go do it.
And of course, we've got our Freshen Up. You guys, fast forward to 4 hours later and the wing is officially done. I almost absolutely cannot believe how freaking amazing this looks. You guys, On's Customs literally knocked it out of the park. These guys literally, 10 out of freaking 10. Look at this thing, you guys. It is so windy out here. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, it made it look so much more aggressive. It made it so much more aggressive, you guys. This is so crazy.
This literally made the whole Supra look a million times better, you guys. I'm insanely blown away. I almost am at a complete disbelief. This is my car. I know how crazy that sounds, but it is time to get out of here. It is so windy right now. I'm already getting sand in my eyes, you guys.
Even being on the road, as you can see through the rear view, but oh my goodness, it just cuts through so well. You can see it, how aggressive it is. But you guys, it's so nice looking. You guys, we are Supra Nation. Oh my God, what the heck? This is just the craziest. For me, it's crazy because I've gone so long, almost 2 years with this car, and we've never had a wing, and now we do, and it's permanent, but I love it.
She's looking clean on the road. Actually getting a chance to see this in person on the road, you guys, absolutely insane. Liza's driving it right now. I'm in the Camry. This is just insane, you guys. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's so freaking cool. I would have never thought literally how much a wing would make such a massive difference. We literally have maybe one more mod we're gonna add onto this car, and then it is 100% done, you guys. Road presence on days, you guys.
You guys, all in all, I can definitely say it is coming together. The Supra is almost 100% done.
Look at this thing, you guys. This is so crazy.
I honestly can't believe it. I'm at a full loss of words right now. This whole thing is so sick. The freaking underglow. We're getting there, you guys.
We're officially part of the Wayne gang as of today, you guys. That is literally, quite literally the end of the video. You guys, next Friday, we have a huge update. We're also gonna be posting a lot of videos, a lot of shorts in general, with a lot of people's reactions to this. I can't wait for that. We also are gonna be doing a lot of reaction videos with friends and family, things like that. So, you guys, thank you so much again. Please come back, please tune in. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.